guys, Matea here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys my 2018 mini happy planner. I actually picked up the hashtag mom life, I guess mom edition of the planner. I had no idea that these things were even themed, but I'm going to be sharing the unboxing with you just in case you've never seen one of these before. And if you have seen one of these and you're a happy planner, please make sure you comment, let me know what I'm supposed to do with this thing and all the great ways that you use it. I can't wait to see what is in the box, and I can't wait to share it with you also. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. Alright guys, let's just go ahead and get right into it. I don't have much time because my son is napping right now, and then I'm gonna go get the girls from school in a little bit. But if I'm talking a little bit lower, that's because my husband, he works nights, so he's actually sleeping, and then like I said, Mason's sleeping in the room literally like right behind me. So I'm really excited to get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the little tabs here because I see that it has these big stickers on the side. And let's just go and get right into it. I'm really excited. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. Mind you, like I told you before, I've never had a happy planner before. So, or I may not have told you that, but I've never had a happy planner before. So this is what it looks like when I open the box. I'm gonna get to the planner first. That's what I really care about the most. So there's like a sticky tab here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like there's a little sticky notes thing right here. So it has like priorities and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off for now. And then right here at the top it says moms have more fun, and then on the planner itself it says hashtag mom life. And I think this is, yes, this is the magnetic bookmark. So it comes with a magnetic, this is cute, a magnetic bookmark. I may or may not be just using this for my planner. I'm probably gonna use it for like other stuff too. This is cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back on, and then let's open it up. All right, so you open it up, and then there's these little tabs. Well, there's tabs all on the side here, I guess for the whole year. I'm guessing there's 12, so I'm guessing these is for the year. And then there's like stickers that you could put on the tabs, and then there's stickers in cursive, which is really pretty. And okay. So you bypass the stickers, and the first page says, "Hello mom, this happy planner belongs to you," and then it has a place for you to write your name. This is so fun already. Ooh, okay. And then, okay, so it looks like it has, the first part, for the first month, it says like mom life, hashtag mom life, and then it has like penning, crafting, going, loving, dreaming, feeling, listening, celebrating, reading, planning, watching, cooking. This is really cool. So you can put what you were doing at this month, I'm guessing. Then it has like birthday celebrations, priorities, and it has a cute little quote down here, happy mama, happy life. If you're a man and you're watching that, remember that. And then the first page says mother, hustle, and repeat. It's so cute. It's really nice. Let's look at the tabs. So here's what the planner looks like on the inside too while I'm at it. Oh, I'm already messing it up. And the binding feels really nice. This feels really durable in my hands. It feels very natural to be holding this. Okay, so the next tab is plain, but it still has like a quote and then like all the fun stuff over here. And then this one says, I'm a mom, what's your superpower? Very cute. Bless this hot mess. And then again, the same little priority thing over there. This one says mom and wow. And it's like kind of shiny. Well, it's like metallic there. This is really cute. Coffee, chaos, and cuddles. This one says mom boss. And then you guys, okay, I work from home if you do not know, and my goal this year is to be diamond by July. And look what happens when I open up to this tab. How funny would it be if this tab was July? There's diamonds on it, and it's purple, my favorite color. This planner was like meant for me. If you know me, you know like I can't make this up. What is going on? Let's count these months. March, April, May, January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. I am really overwhelmed right now. No way. No way. No way. Maybe. What? That is so cool. Happy Planner, how did you know? Like, that is, I can't even, I don't even have words. Where's my coffee? What? This is really exciting. Okay. Let's move on. Musty bun, get stuff done. So this, it looks like the planner is solely like mom oriented. Hashtag mom life right here. I really just got it because it said hashtag mom life. I just thought that that's what the cover said. I thought that maybe all happy planners were the same inside. I don't know. Mama ain't easy. I thought they were all the same inside. I didn't know they were like personalized specifically for like a theme. Family is not important as in family is not an important thing. It's everything. Michael J. Fox. That's so cute. And then, oh, if you think my hands are full, you should see my heart. That is so nice. Doesn't every mom feel that? Mama needs some more coffee. Right, like on the page before it says, Mama needs some more coffee. And then the next page it says that. Excuse me, guys. And then the last one says, you got this, Mama, and children are not a distraction from more important work. They are the most important work. Dr. John Trainer. Very true. This is really, really nice. Okay, so the stickers come in this little thing right here. So plastic thing. Let's see how many are in here. There's 3 sheets of stickers, and they have like sayings on them. This is so nice. I am loving this. Okay, so here are the stickers that come in it. You guys can I hope you guys can see. I hope it's focusing right and everything. There's one sheet. Here's the other one. Sorry if my hands are shaky. I'm drinking coffee. And then here's the other one. This is so nice. Okay, so happy planner people. What do I do with these? Do I like stick these? Are these look kind of big. Do I stick these on the pages of like where I'm planning? So the small, obviously they can't go here. Maybe the small stickers can. But, so they fit, do they fit on here? They do, so they fit into the box of like the day of that you're planning on. It is so cute. And so the big stickers, do the big stickers go on there too? They do. This is really nice. And so this pink section here though, is that where the stickers go? Or is that just like, just how they made it? I don't know. You let me know if you know like why that's there. Or if that's like a special spot for something, or I don't know. So check this out. Every week it also has Mom's Daily To-Do List. And then it has Monday through Friday, or Monday through Sunday, and then it has where you can like check it off. So this is like specifically, this was like meant to be, y'all. I grabbed the right planner. I really did, because you guys already know my life is so busy. I needed this. I just wanted the planner. Not only is it just a nice planner, but then it's personalized for moms. Like, thank you, Happy Planner. I had no idea that they did stuff like, I had no idea that there was such thing as a mom planner. This is really cool. Okay, this is the last thing that it comes with, and it looks like an insert, and it has like, yeah, it's an insert obviously because it has this, but then it has pockets. It's like a folder, like a pocket divider thing. It has like where you can put stuff in. So I'm guessing I'm probably going to use that for like coupons and stuff. And then I think that's it. I think this box was just to like lift it up and stuff, but you guys, this is so exciting. I've been missing out. I've been missing out. You guys know I'm super cheap, and the entire reason why I didn't buy this Happy Planner in the first place was because I'm cheap. It was $26.99 originally. I got 50% off at Joann's, and then I had $5 in my pocket, so I spent $9.60 on this altogether. It was $26.99, and I swiped my card for $9.60, you guys. I feel like I robbed Joann's. Sorry, girl. Sorry. Like, for real. I have been missing out. I'm really excited. Okay, so when do you plan? Do you go from like, tomorrow for me is Saturday, so do you sit down on Saturday and then like plan the whole week? Or do you sit down and you plan every day? Like, what do you do? What works? Because I don't want to like do so many different things that I get confused and like I don't want to do it. I want to know what works. So if you're already a happy planner, please in the comment section tell me how you do this. Like, do you do it every week? Like, what day of the week you sit down and plan and stickerize or do whatever, how long it takes, just stuff like that. And yeah, and I'll get back to you guys. Like in a couple weeks, I'll probably make an update video letting you guys know what I like about it, what I don't like about it, what's working for me, what's not working for me. But I'm waiting for you guys to comment before I start putting stickers and like doing the tabs and stuff. So make sure you comment, let me know what I'm supposed to do with all this stuff. And that's it. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the post notifications, which is like the little bell next to the subscribe button, so that you guys know when I post my next video. And I post weekly, and sometimes I'll post 2 videos a week, 3 videos a week. I don't have a schedule. That's why I have this planner. But I do post every week between Wednesday and Friday. Lifestyle, home, mom videos, anything that's going on personal life that I would love to share with you guys. And that's about it. So if you're interested in watching more of that, please go ahead and subscribe and be part of the Mom Squad. If you're already on the part of the Mom Squad and you're here, and even if you're not a Mom Squad, even if you're not a mom yet, you are still part of the Mom Squad. And I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this, and like you guys see what I think. I can't wait to see what you guys think. And if you, like I said, if you already have a planner, let me know how you like it. And I can't wait to hear what you guys say, and I can't wait to talk to you guys on the next video. So that's all I have for today. So I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching, and I guess happy planning. Bye guys.